So every week we do this. It's called Where I Was Right, Where I Was Wrong. Let's see which stocks I got right and which ones I got wrong. So here we go.
When Brad was right.
Peloton. What else can I say other than the fact that I absolutely nailed this stock? Peloton's been great. It's falling back right now. It's Friday. We're falling it right back now, but it went all the way up to $100 a share. I said it would hit that. It briefly hit that pre-market today, but they absolutely crushed earnings. Expectations were at 10 cents. I called it around 23 cents if you guys caught the live stream, and actually came in at 27 cents a share. Restoration Hardware. I am ripping my hair out about Restoration Hardware. They came in, estimated earnings per share at $3.41. I actually sold this before earnings came out because I got a little nervous about it with the market being the way that it was. They absolutely annihilated earnings, and I'm super sick about it. I mean, look at this. This is ridiculous. They came in, actual earnings per share, Christian, was at $4.90, and they just went off. I'm really beating myself up over this one.
They crushed it. They really did crush it.
Look at this gap up. This gap up is ridiculous. They went all the way from 308 when we were talking about it, and it came up all the way to 410 before selling off, obviously, with the rest of the market here on a Friday. But I mean, god damn, this thing.
Yeah, man. Hey, sorry about your luck.
Sometimes you miss some, you lose some. But anyways, so Restoration Hardware, they absolutely crushed it. I think that they'll continue moving and crushing it as long as residential real estate continues to be just on an absolute tear. I think they will keep going. And then there's Kroger, which I said was not sexy, right? But I said that they would beat earnings pretty handily. They actually did. Came in, estimated earnings per share were at 44 cents. They came in at 73 cents per share and did well after earnings, but then obviously has sold off. This is one that if you're looking to get into something that is steady Eddie, you just want to buy something and forget about it, then go buy yourself some Kroger. Just join the Warren Buffett team and just buy stuff that just kind of gradually goes up and you don't have to worry about it so much. Kroger is definitely that. I think that they continue to move. I've been saying that companies that have not just survived, but thrived through the Rona and all that jazz, and we'll continue to do well as we move forward and kind of like get back to whatever normal looks like. So I think that Kroger's still definitely one to hold on to, but it's not something that's just going to blow your socks off. It's going to be something that just continually, gradually goes up and continues to grow that way.
And that was the Steady Eddie ones. Interestingly enough, everything's down right now.
Yeah.
On our watch list this morning was Domino's Pizza, and we talked about it this morning when we went live in our mentorship that was another one. It's a Steady Eddie. It's not going to change the world. It's up over 1.5% while everything else is getting obliterated. So I just want to shout out our watch list.
Yeah. And by the way, if you're not part of that watch list, that is the Chaos Crew, which we are airing privately with our Chaos Crew right now. If you guys want to be a part of that, it's $4.99 a month. You get a daily watch list from us. You get private live streams. You get all kinds of tips and tricks on how to invest as well. All that's done within the Chaos Crew. So click the join button next to subscribe, and we'd be happy to have you guys over there as well. All right. Now, here's my least favorite part about this.
When Brad was wrong.
Etsy. So Etsy, we thought might continue because of their inclusion into the S&P 500. It had a little bit of a blip here, on Tuesday once, people got kind of excited about it, and then it just continued to fizzle out with the rest of the quote unquote tech or e-commerce stocks. And I think that it's a little bit unwarranted, but I was wrong about how the reaction was going to go. I still like Etsy. I still think it's a good long-term hold. There's a reason that the S&P 500 included this company in their index, and it's because they are rock solid and will continue to grow. They tripled storefronts since the beginning of the year, and there's something to be said for that. So I think that Etsy, anything you can grab under $110 a share is still a steal in my opinion. I like Etsy a lot, but I was not right about how that was going to go around this week. And then there was Slack, which I will let Christian gloat about this one a little bit, but they came in with earnings. The only thing I was right about was them actually beating earnings. What I was wrong about was how this was actually going to go down. And I feel a little bit bad because this is one of my stocks I was going to watch for September. And it is just not really shaping up to be a good stock to actually trade in September. It gapped down considerably after earnings because, as Christian would put it, their CEO is an idiot.
This is a poo-poo stock. I've been telling you, it's poo-poo stock. We agree about a lot of things. Everybody in the Chaos Crew knows that I have not been a fan of this stock. This is poo-poo, and that CEO is dog shit. There, I said it. It's off my chest. And I mean, I was happy about my Peloton prediction. I mean, I was spot on. But that Slack, I've been telling you, but you just don't want to listen to me. That's fine.
I know. I still like it, but we'll see. Yeah, I mean, the CEO obviously has everything to do with the success of the company. So if he's an idiot, well, then it might not work out so well. I mean, it's interesting because their clients, most of their clients do really like the product, but I don't know. We'll see where it goes.
Listen, stop. This is embarrassing now. Just give up on it. Stop trying to justify. You're even when you're dying here, you still are trying to hold on for dear life. Let it go.
Listen here, asshole. You were wrong. You were wrong about Peloton, by the way. You said it was going to get 40 cents per share, and I was only 4 cents off. So you kiss my ass.
We were on this spot. I didn't say my predictions, my numbers estimates, but damn everything else. Anyway,
fine, you win.
I'm done.
All right, so there you have it. Where it was right, where it was wrong. If you like this, if you want to tune in on Stock Watch Sunday, we go over the next stocks that we're watching for next week, and you'll see another where it was right, where it was wrong next Friday. We're going to be doing this differently now, moving forward. So if you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you guys for Stock Watch Sunday.